In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform bank reconciliation in Xero. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant managing financial records, keeping everything in line with bank transactions can be a daunting task. However, Xero makes it much easier than you might think. So let's dive in and get started with the step-by-step process. First, you need to access your Xero account. Open your web browser and navigate to xero.com. Once you're there, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on Login and enter your login credentials to access your Xero account. Once logged into your Xero dashboard, direct your attention to the taskbar menu on the top of the page. Here, you'll notice a tab labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on Accounting to access more detailed financial options. After clicking Accounting, you're going to need to locate bank accounts in the drop-down menu. Clicking on Bank Accounts will display a list of accounts that you've linked to Xero. Now, select the specific bank account you would like to reconcile. This action will get you closer to aligning your records with your actual bank statements. At the bottom below your bank account name, you'll find the option Reconcile. Click on Reconcile to begin examining the statement lines imported into Xero. At this stage, Xero automatically pulls in your transaction details from your bank feeds or even through manual imports if you've chosen that method. Next is the vital task of matching your transactions. Xero is quite smart here. It proposes potential matches between bank statement lines and the invoices, bills, or payments you've entered into the system. When you spot a correct match, just click OK to confirm it. If a match is not immediately available, don't worry. You have the option to create a transaction manually. Click Create and enter the details of a spend money, receive money, or transfer transaction. Another useful feature is the Find and Match function. Click on this to search for a particular transaction by name, such as an invoice. Simply type the name into the provided search box and click Go. Xero will help locate possible matching transactions for you. Once these are displayed, carefully select the one that corresponds to your bank record and tick the checkbox next to it. Once you've confirmed all the matches, you'll see that transactions are properly aligned. The final step in this process is to ensure that each transaction is handled. Continue to match or create necessary transactions until all the lines in your statement are accounted for. When done, review to ensure your Xero balance matches the actual bank balance. Congratulations, you've successfully completed the bank reconciliation in Xero. This ensures your books reflect reality, making it easier to manage your business's finances accurately.